Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm at a point to where I can get ready to start putting this D16Y7 together. I got the block all cleaned, it's painted. The cylinders are honed, which it really didn't need it, but I did it just for a little reassurance. I got the crank cleaned, the girdle, it's all cleaned and prepped. Now I'm over here at my press. I got to press these wrist pins out so I could use the original connecting rods, and I want to get all that out. But I just wanted to give you a quick update on the Civic and letting you know the videos are about to be rolling on this thing. So I think I got all my parts to put this together. At least the bottom end. I'll make it a step by step. Part one, two, three, whatever, however many videos, instead of doing all one continuous. That way I could upload them as I go, and we will go from there. So definitely stay tuned, and if you got any questions or anything, drop them in the bucket below. I will answer any questions that you have. And this is going to be a mini me build. It's going to be high compression. I think I'll be pushing close to, I want to say 12 to 1 compression. And I'm going to use a Y8 head on it. We're going to make a little mini me VTEC engine.